Hey guys, today we're going to be taking a look at this right here, the Elukiko FPV mini drone. It's got a lot of really nice features on there: hand toss, altitude hold, emergency stop, voice control, gestures, 360 flips, photo and video. Yeah, all that really good stuff. Let's get it out of the box and check it out. Alright guys, out of the box you get two 500 milliamp hour batteries. Two of them suckers. You get the real nice quadcopter right here. There's the camera right there on the front. Real nice little red stripes on there. You get the little charger. It's one of those little needle chargers. Here's the transmitter. Real nice. Has your rates right here, and I don't know what's on the back there. The flips to photo and the 360 flips on this side. Yeah, real good stuff. You got your prop guards, your screwdriver and your extra props, and your app, the app user guide, and the manual. So what I'm going to tell you is that the vast majority of questions I get from new users on these drone videos, whenever I make them, almost all of the time, the number one question is, everybody says, what is the app? Well, the app is always, there's every manual, there'll be a QR code in here for the app. So you just scan that with your phone. And the second question will be, the second most common question will be is, how do I get it to bind up? And so what you do is you turn it on like that. Then you turn the power on this one, which is under here. You go up and down on that to give it the knack, to sync it. Then to do the level calibration, you go down and to the left. Then once that's on, then you go to your Wi-Fi setting on your phone and you find the drone in there. So it's going to be EEFPV right there. See that? Right under where it says Brian's phone. So you click that. Then that's going to go up there and knack on that. There it is. It's connected. Then you go to the app, which is going to be right there. EEFPV, the one black and white one right there. So you click on that. And then you go to start. And there it is. Let me turn it this way. Then you go and you look at my clothes again. There's my closet. And there's me. There's my bald head. And that's how you get that to bind up. Okay? And then you would start the motors. You just go down and out right like that. And that'll start the motors. And then to take off, of course, you would just go up on the stick. So we'll do that. You can see the clothes, right? Okay, so we'll just do that. There it is. Hallelujah. All right, guys, let's go fly this thing. All right, guys, I'm out here with the Elukiko. Right here, the camera drone, the little mini camera drone. And what we're going to do first is we're going to fly it without using the app. So we're going to turn off all the Wi-Fi first, and we're going to fly it without using the app, just to see how it flies. Sometimes these little Wi-Fi drones fly a lot better without the Wi-Fi camera running. So we're going to take off, which is the button right there. Wow, does some cool flips. Ah, that's pretty good. Flies real nice. Wow. Let's get the race going. Oh yeah. got a great pitch on it, guys. Great pitch. Look at it. Wow. Let me bring it in a little tighter here. Wow. Look at it go. Look at it go. Woo! Yeah, that's a zoomer. I think I'll probably wind up sending this one to Magoo. He was looking for one of these. This is a good Magooer. Wow, look at that thing zooming. Excellent, excellent. Okay, let's try another flip, right? The kiddies love the flips. You know, I'm an old man, so, you know, it don't matter too much to me. But it goes great, man. This thing flies really nice, man. Wow. Very precise, the controls, man. Wow. The handling on it is impeccable. Whoa. Super nice. All right, guys, so I'm going to bring it back down here. All right, I'm going to shut everything off and restart it with the app this time. Do the level calibration again. Get the phone out. Let's see if we can start the recording right now before we even take off. Okay, so it's showing that it's recording. And it just took off. So we'll put the camera video at the end. It doesn't save to an SD card, it just saves it to your phone. I'll try to slow the rate down a little bit here, or slow down the running of the drone so you can get the quality of the video in there. So I'm just going to hold it still. It's just drifting right now. It actually is pretty stable. It's not really moving that much, actually. Yeah, real nice. Pretty stable. Look at that. Yeah, real nice. So you got to see the camera video. But now this is just my opinion, okay? These kind of drones are just more fun to fly, less as a camera type of an option, okay? So, to me, that's just my opinion, okay? So I'm going to bring it back here for a sec. That was a running grab, okay? Okay, there's a bee flying around my head. Yeah, it flies better. It's less lag. Absolutely. With the video running, there's a little bit of lag on the turning, but when you turn the Wi-Fi off, look at it. Yep. Most of these small drones like this, there'll be some lag with the Wi-Fi when you're recording the video. So just so you know that. Without the video running, with the Wi-Fi turned off, this thing's a beast. This thing is just friggin' awesome without that lag. I don't know if there's enough battery to do any flips. I've only been using them. Oh yeah, so there's still battery left. Can't be much, but I mean, I ran the first part of the video plus the video section, and it's still flipping. Yeah, without the Wi-Fi, this thing's just freaking awesome. Nice bird, man. Nice little bird. Yeah, wow. Great stuff, man. It flies great, man. Great stuff. There it goes. There's the low battery warning. All right. All right. Oh, shush. I hate that noise. Everybody does, right? I'm not exclusively not liking that. Everybody hates those beeping things. All right, guys. Have a nice day. It flew great. I'm real happy with it.